would be the ultimate fix of this problem. And the problem is that we're trying to outsource or privatize these kinds of resolutions, if you will, by sidestepping the civil process, you know, the courthouse, in other words. And when you know, I got this vision in my mind of the courthouse on the square, and there's you can go around the courthouse in a circle, and then there's all these restaurants with great breakfasts and great lunches, and you can be there all day. And I'm thinking about a hot summer day with the fan just kind of twirling around lazily. It's a lazy afternoon, and nothing else to do. I've hung out on the porch since early morning, did a little fishing. After that, played some checkers. Thereafter, got something to eat at lunchtime, and now I heard about this great lawyer that's trying this case over here in the courthouse. I'll go over there, and you spend your afternoons watching the lawyers. And at that same courthouse, you can, if you want to know whether or not your neighbor is beating his wife, how many times that he has beat his wife, you can go to the courthouse and find that. If you need to look at the adoption papers, you just adopted a child, you can find that at the courthouse. Your real estate deeds, your liens, how many people have sued you, how many convictions do you have? All of that information is at the courthouse. And at the courthouse, you can't lie. You cannot lie, because you get charged with perjury or obstruction. And it's okay to lie to your neighbor across the fence, telling them about that big fish that you caught, or that hole-in-one that you hit. You know, you can lie about things like that, but you can't lie in the courthouse. Now, arbitration is different. There's no place for a trial, a public trial, where people can come and enjoy the proceedings. There are no public records to be viewed. In fact, most folks don't even, the public doesn't even know when there's an arbitration proceeding taking place. And then when the arbitrator rules, and he or she even goes against the National Arbitration Forum rules, which are advisory in my opinion only, not binding in any way, then you have no meaningful right to appeal the decision. And so the only thing that I can see that we need to do is what I've done with my Arbitration Fairness Act of 2008, and again in the 111th Congress, the H.R. 1020. And I'm proud to announce that there are a number of members of this committee, including the chairman, who have signed on as co-sponsors. I know Mr. Cummings is on that bill also, and that's the best way to solve this problem, is that the Sixth Amendment right to a civil trial in any endeavor or any dispute in excess of $20 needs to be adhered to.
The gentleman's time has expired. Although I will say the gentleman and all the other members are welcome to return in 1 hour. We're going to recess for 1 hour for 6 votes on the floor of the House. After that 1 hour, I would ask that all members of the panel return, assuming that you're able to do that. And we will then go to one more round of questioning, and it'll be brisk, and then we'll conclude the business of this committee. I want to thank you for your presence here, and this committee stands in recess for 1 hour.